welcome back to Project Studio. As we know, in an interior project, multiple stakeholders work together. As the project moves through different stages, there are several tasks that needs to be performed by the design, project, and finance teams. With the task module, you can assign and track tasks, share updates with your team, and receive reminders so that no important task is missed and your project stays on schedule. So let's get started. Once you log into the platform, open the project that you are currently working on. On the left-hand side, hover over the navigation panel and click on Task Module. Once you're inside the task module, you will be able to see all the tasks for that particular project. These tasks are further categorized into task, request, issues, hindrances, snags. This helps your team and your client clearly understand the purpose of each task. To create a new task, click on the Add Task button in the top right corner. A form will open where you can enter the task details. Let's create a task. Enter the title of the task. For example, I am creating a task for my designer to create a 3D render. So my task title will be Create a 3D render. Next, select the team member you want to assign the task to. I am assigning the task to my designer Prerak. You can also add other team members in CC, such as internal managers or other stakeholders. Now select the due date. This is the date by which you want your task to be completed. You can also specify a due time if required. This is completely optional. Finally, add the task description. Personally, I prefer using voice notes instead of typing. It helps me use the software much faster and the audio is also recorded, making it easier for the assignee to understand the task. Create a brief for 3D render. Once you are done, click on Submit. Your task has now been assigned. You can view your task in Kanban, list, and table view depending on your preferences. As soon as a task is assigned, the assignee will receive both a WhatsApp notification and an in-app notification. Now let's say Prerak has a question while working on the task. He can simply tag me and leave a comment with his query. This allows team members to tag each other, comment, and have discussions directly within the task, making every task its own conversation thread. Once the task is completed, simply upload the relevant files in the appropriate section or in the comments, and then mark the task as completed. This way, all your internal work can be managed and assigned through the task module. Some popular use cases for the other task categories include the sales team creating a follow-up reminder so they don't miss calling a client. A project manager raises a snag for the supervisor or vendor to complete the rework at the site. A supervisor raising an hindrance or an issue from the site if the approvals or clearances are pending from the management or the clients, and many more. So far, we have looked at the task within a single project. If you're managing multiple projects at the same time, you can also manage tasks across all your projects. Click on the Home button in the left navigation panel and open All Tasks. Here you will find every task from all your projects in one place. At the top, you'll see a quick summary of total task, completed task, pending task, and overdue task. You can also filter tasks using multiple filters such as assignee, project stage, and more. You can automate task creation based on specific triggers using our automation module. In fact, some of the best studios using Project Studio have automated nearly 70% of the recurring tasks, significantly reducing manual work. That's how easy it is to assign, track, and manage tasks in Project Studio. In the next video, we'll cover the timesheets module, where you will learn how to track exactly how much time your team spends on every task and project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Project Studio YouTube channel so you never miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.